Hello everyone. Hard work never pays off. I truly believe in this quote. I got selected in Kyndryl as a service desk engineer. My name is Neelima, basically a born and brought up in Kadapa, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in B.Sc, MScs with the aggregate of 80%. After that, I had prepared for some other government exams, but later on, I decided to move my career in IT field. In search of best platforms, my brother approached me about Evision. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruiting and consultant company where I can join there as a online job internship program with the help of IT administrator and management, where I got their real work time exposure of IT experience such as CCNA, networking, Windows administration, ITIL, Linux, cyber security, and such these courses. The people in the Evision really helped me to crack the interview, and they guided me in each and every step which I took there. Um, After that, the teachings and the classes are being held are very good, and the doubt sessions are really very good. I always refer my friend who are jobless to join Evision and to settle their life in a better way. Thanks for the Evision people who helped me to get my job interview within 1 month, 1.5 month. Thank you so much.